I know I'm a cubing channel, but come on, we're at the fair. And there's birds.
And little one. Look it.
Oh, what?
It's right there.
No. It's the little birds that you see when you're taking a walk. There's one right there. See right there. And there's some over here. Oh.
These are canaries. I used to have some of these.
My grandma said that she used to have some of these apparently. Oh, this is... I don't know if you guys saw, but there was a white one that was just going, his head was going up and down, up and down.
How cute.
Guys,
So small.
Grandma, you need this. Apparently it's got first place.
Yeah, got first place.
It's perfect. Grandma, you need it.
I
I got the second place. How did I get second?